In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on flashlight on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, swipe from the top right corner to open up the control center, and here you see that icon, that's flashlight icon, and if I tap on that, you see that flashlight is turning on or off. Flashlight located right here, that's LED lighter, just next to camera. So what to do if you don't got that icon in control center? Open up your settings and here select control center, and there look for torch. In latest version of iOS it's called torch, in previous it was called flashlight, and you can find it right here. I just deleted that. Just tap on the plus icon to add the torch to your control center. Now it appears right here. I can tap on that to turn it on or turn it off. And also I can tap and hold on that flashlight to change the volume of this flash, the power of how it is light. If I don't need too much bright, I can use that option. So I hope it helps you guys, and before you go, please like and subscribe.